The asteroid belt is an area located between Mars and Jupiter that contains millions of rocks, dust, and other particles. It is the most noticeable feature of the solar system, since it marks the limit of the inner solar system. It has been estimated that the total mass of objects in the asteroid belt is only a fraction of the mass of the Moon. Most of the asteroids in the belt are irregularly shaped and vary in size from a few tens of meters to several hundred kilometers. The largest asteroid is called Ceres and is even classified as a dwarf planet. Oceans would be poisoned, as melted asteroids contain high levels of toxic chemicals and metals. Similarly, the air would be polluted due to the release of hazardous gases. Those that survive the initial impact would face an entirely altered environment. Crops would become unsuitable for growth, leading to shortages in food and water. Shelters may be destroyed, causing people to live in fear and despair. Ocean life would be massively harmed, and many species may be rendered extinct. Earthquakes and other natural disasters would still be common, adding to the ongoing destruction. Areas near plate boundaries would be especially vulnerable due to tectonic movements. The world's economies may take years to rebuild, and global trade would be disrupted. Depending on the area affected, global climate patterns could be changed, resulting in disastrous weather patterns. This event could further aggravate the effects of climate change, impacting the environment in ways we cannot yet imagine. Nations would become engaged in heated conflict over resources, destabilizing many regions. Those that manage to survive this tragedy would face extreme difficulties in living day to day. Due to the lack of resources, nations may become more closed off, limiting the flow of ideas and progress. If an asteroid were to hit the Earth, it could potentially cause civil unrest throughout multiple countries. Disease and illnesses would spread quickly due to a weakened population and lack of medical assistance. Property damage would be considerable, and most buildings may not be able to withstand the force of the impact. Airports and space stations may become obsolete, which would have a significant impact on daily life. Communication could be disrupted, making it more difficult for aid to reach those in need. Space debris from the asteroid could hit other planets in our solar system, affecting them in the same way.